So what's up, YouTube? It is open day rifle season in Virginia, and my brothers come down or come up to go hunting. We're gonna go out to some property that's not far away, and we're gonna do some hunting. And I'll see you when we get in the woods. Hit it. Oh, you got her. You got him. Woo! Nice shot. Is it a buck? No, I think it's a doe. Oh, the spike, Josh. You shot a spike. Look at that. You shot a spike. Oh, I think you had him twice. Nice shot. Nice shot. So I just want to say right now that hunting with my brother was epic. He had never shot a deer in his life, and he shot his first deer today. So that was epic. Like, unexplainable, like, out of words. That was really cool. He thought we wasn't going to get a deer that day, but then last minute, nice little spike came in. He thought it was a doe, but it ended up being a spike. And, hey, that was a really cool shot. He ended up making 2 shots, but he still killed it. And that was a nice deer. So, let's go get it. Let's go get it cleaned up.